Okay, so welcome to all of you. The last time we have seen the Jacobian. Okay, so now with the help of the Jacobian, we have to evaluate the double integral by using the substitution. Okay, so that means what here T is the transformation whose Jacobian is not zero. Okay, so we are familiar with the transformation. Last time we have seen that. Okay, so S is the map UV onto the. That means what your X is the function of u v. We have changed the variables in terms of u and v. Okay, so then how to evaluate such type of the integration? Okay, so then this is what f of xy, this is xy not z, this is f of xy dA is semi integral over this. That means your x is changed in terms of function of uv, y is also changed in terms of uv. Then you have to find the Jacobian of that one. So then this what this is the change of the variables. You know that you should have to change the limit of in one variable, you have to change the limit also if you use the substitution. The same thing here also, your region is changed now here. What the region of the integration will be changed now. Okay, so then if you use the transformation, that means if you use the substitution, x is a function of uv and y is a function of uv, then this region of the integration r is changed into in the uv. This is xy plane, this is what uv plane becomes there, right? So we'll say that region is there. We have to integrate that region integral with respect over the region, new region S. So that is what replace x by function of uv and y as a function of uv. Then you have to multiply by modulus of the Jacobian. So because Jacobian may be negative, so you have to take the modulus of that one. du dv is already one important here. So this is limit on depend on the limit whatever this. Okay. So now same thing for the three variable x y z here. The triple integral over v. Then this is Jacobian is there, du dv dw and so on. Okay, so you can evaluate the triple integral by with the help of the substitution. Now we'll see how to use this formula to evaluate the double integral. Okay, so we take a problem so that you will understand how to change the variables. We take the problem, evaluate the double integral over r e raised to x plus y upon x minus y dA, where r is trapezoidal region with the vertices 1 0 1 0 2 0 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 0 minus 1. Okay, solution. Let I is equal to this, where R is the trapezoidal region is. Okay, so just we'll draw this figure. So roughly we have to draw this one. So this is what x axis, y axis, and this is your origin. So where is 1 0 1 0 y coordinate is 0, means it is on the x axis. This is 1 0 is here. Okay, now 2 0 again 2 0 here. So instead of this, I will take this is what 1 0, this is what 2 0, then 0 minus 2. So minus 2 is 0 minus 2. So this is what minus 1 minus 2. So minus 2 will be here, then minus 2 will be here, minus 1 is here. Okay, 1 0 2 0. Okay. 0 minus 1 15. Okay, so whatever this 0 minus 1 is here, 0 minus 2 is here, this is here, this. Okay, so we'll join this. Okay, this is your region. Okay, so I will draw this. done. Okay. So I will call this as A, I will call this as B, I will call this as C, I will call this as D. So where A is, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C, and this is your D, and this is your C now. Okay, no problem. Okay. So now we'll write the equation now. Okay, that is what R is bounded by R is bounded by. So now this is what x axis. So that means this is y is equal to 0. Right? This is what y axis. This line is along the y axis. So y is equal to x is equal to 0. Right? Now this is the line A. This line CD. CD is what? See this is what 0 minus 2. The equation of this line. We want to find the equation of this line. Okay. So now what is this? 2-point form. What? X minus x1 upon x minus x2, y minus y1 upon y minus y2. Right? This is nothing but a 2-point form. Right? We'll write this is what? This is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, this is your y2. Okay? So we'll write this x minus x1 is 0. Then what? x1, x2 minus x1. This is what? x2 minus x1. Okay? x2 is what? 2 minus 0. Okay? Y minus y1 is plus 2 now. Y plus 2. Okay? So then y2 is what? Your 0 plus 2 now. Okay? Now this is what then x upon 2 is equal to y plus 2 upon 2. 2 get cancelled. So x is equal to y plus 2. So x is equal to y plus 2. We have to do this roughly. Anywhere in the rough page also you can do. You can do this one. Now this we have found this equation. Now what is this? This is what? Minus 1, 0. This point is 0 minus 1. This point is 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. This point 0 minus 1. And this point is what? This point is 1, 0. 1, 0. You have to find the equation of this one. This is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, this is your y2. Okay? So x minus x1 is 0. Right? 1 minus 0 there. Y minus y1. So y plus 1. Y plus 1. Upon your y2 is 0. 0 plus 1. Okay? So x is equal to y plus 1. So x is equal to y plus 1. Okay? So these are your equations. Now we don't need this now. Okay? We realize that. So your region of the integration is bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to y plus 2, and x is equal to y plus 1. So we have the region now. Okay? So we did this, whatever this value was. Now see here, e raised to x plus y upon x minus y. Okay? So we have the region. We can draw straight parallel to x axis, parallel to y axis, right? But this is not integrable with respect to x and with respect to y. We get a region. We could draw the straight parallel to x axis, straight parallel to y axis. We cannot do this one because now this function is neither integrable with respect to x nor integrable with respect to y. So what we have to do? We have to use the substitution now. So what we put x plus y is equal to u and x minus y is equal to b. So you need to find the Jacobian. So we'll find x in terms of ub and y in terms of ub. So we'll solve this simultaneously. So what we get? If you solve this simultaneously, what we get? So twice x is equal to u plus b. X is equal to u plus b upon 2. So if you subtract this one, so what we get then? Twice y is equal to u minus b. So y is equal to u minus b upon 2. Okay, so we get u and b, right? So what we'll do? We'll find the Jacobian. Jacobian is what? Dou xy by dou ub. So this is whatever. If you get a negative, we are taking the modulus of that one. So this is what? Half. Okay, first we write the formula. We write the formula first. Okay, so dou x by dou u, dou x by dou b, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou b. Okay, so dou x by dou u is half. This is also half. Dou y by dou u is half. this is minus half. Okay, so this is what, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, so minus half, right? Minus 1 by 4, this is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, this is minus 2 by 4, right? Denominators are same and all the signs are also same. You have to take the addition of that one. So this is minus 2 by 4 and minus 2 by 4 is 7 minus half. So your Jacobian is what? Your Jacobian is half, minus half. Okay, so I'll write here Jacobian. Now, so what is u? U is equal to, so x is equal to, okay, x is equal to u plus b upon 2, y is equal to u minus b upon 2. Now your I is what? Your I is integration over r e raised to x plus y upon x minus y dA is equal to integration over s, integration over s e raised to x plus y is u upon v, right? So this is what is Jacobian j d, suppose b now here, no problem here, or you may say this is dA, no problem, Jacobian dA, where dA is nothing but dA du dv. Okay, so I will write here du dv, no problem, instead of this one du dv. Okay, so we have the Jacobian now. So now e raised to u upon v is integrable with respect to u only. This is not integrable with respect to v. So that means we have to integrate with respect to u first. Okay. So we have to take the care of that one. That means we have to draw the strip parallel to v axis. We have to draw strip parallel to v axis. We'll take care of that one. So before that, you have to find the region S now. Okay. Your this original region is bounded by this now. So you have to find your region which is bounded by uv in terms of uv now. Okay. So x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. What is x? U plus v is equal to 0. U plus v is equal to 0. Means what? U is equal to minus v. U is equal to minus v. Your y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Implies that y is equal to 0. So what is y? Y is what? U minus v upon 2 is equal to 0. Implies that u is equal to v. Right? We have to draw this region. So x is equal to y plus 2 implies that your x is what? U plus v upon 2 is equal to y. Y is what? U minus v upon 2 plus 2. The first will multiply by 2. This is what? U minus v. Okay? We will take the care everywhere now. So what is this? U plus v upon 2. So 2 will simplify this. U plus v is equal to u minus v plus 4. Okay? Your vb get u get cancelled. This is twice v is equal to 4. Implies that v is equal to 2 now. See, this u get cancelled. This v is shifted here, become twice v, and twice v is equal to 4. Implies v is equal to 2. Okay? So now x is equal to, next curve is what? X is equal to y plus 1. Y plus 1. So this is x u minus v upon 2 plus 1. Okay? So this implies that. Now same thing here. U plus v is equal to u minus v plus 2. This implies that v is equal to 1. So that means your s is bounded by S is bounded by what? U is equal to minus v, u is equal to v, then v is equal to 1, v is equal to 2. Right? So we'll draw this figure now. We'll draw this figure so that now here what? You have to evaluate this one now. Okay? You have to evaluate this one. Here is to UV Jacobian we have. So Jacobian is half now. Okay, so we will put that. So we have to evaluate this yes now. Okay, so now we have to draw this figure now. We'll draw the figure. Okay. This is your u axis, capital U. This is your capital V axis, 0. Okay, so u is equal to v. That means this bisect the first quadrant. This is what u is equal to v, and this is what u is equal to minus v. U is equal to minus v. Okay. Now then v is equal to 1. V is equal to 1. So here your v is equal to 1. V is equal to 1. Now this is what your v is equal to 2. Now the region bounded by these two lines and these two lines. This is the required region. This is the required region. Now see, you have to integrate this e raised to u upon v. This is not integrable with respect to v now. So don't draw strip parallel to v axis, because this is not integrable with respect to v. So it is integrable with respect to u. So draw strip parallel to u axis. So your u axis is, that means you have to draw this. This is the only possible way. Okay. So first we will find these 2 points, then this point also. This point no problem for v is equal to 2 now. Okay. So okay, so no problem, no need to find the point of intersection also here, because okay, so therefore I is equal to, integration limits of v now, because we have your axis is what parallel to u axis, your strip is parallel to u axis. So first we are writing the limits of v now. So limits of v are started from 1 to 2. So this is what 1 to 2. Then limits of u from this left curve, and u from the right curve. U from the left curve is minus v, and u from the right curve is v, e raised to u upon v. Jacobian is mod of minus half du dv, right? So you are integrating with respect to this is function. Now we will integrate this. So this is equal to 1 to 2. We will integrate this. This is what e raised to u upon v upon coefficient of u. This is 1 upon v. 1 upon v. This is what minus v to v. So this is what half I can take common here, half. Then this is dv. Okay. So first I will put v, and then I will put minus v. So this is what half integration 1 to 2. I will put this is v as it is, v e raised to. If I put u is equal to v, then dv get cancelled. So e raised to 1 minus v e raised to minus 1 dv. Now see, this is very simple now. I can take, this is what 1 half e minus e raised to minus 1 common, integration 1 to 1 v dv. Okay, so this is 1 half e minus 1 upon e. So this is what v square by 2, 1 to 2, right? So this is what 1 half e minus 1 by e. Then you put 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 2, 1 to get cancelled. So this is 2 minus half. 2 minus half. Now see, this is what 4, 5. So 5 by 4, e minus 1 by e is our required answer. Oh, not, this is 4, this is minus, this is 3. This is 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 2, and this is half. So this is 3 by 4. Okay, so this is the required answer, and this is the region. The region is very important here. We will solve one more problem so that you will understand this one. We will solve one more problem. Evaluate double integral over r x minus 3y dA, where r is the triangle with vertices 0 0 2 1 1 2. Okay, solution. let I is equal to this. Solution, let I is equal to this. Okay. Now, what is R in region? So just we draw the figure for our convenience. This is not a part of the solution. The 0, 0 is there. So this is what 2, 1. That means x is 2. X is 1, then this is 2 now. Okay. So suppose this is 1, this is 2. Okay. Suppose this is 1, this is 2. Okay. So 2, 1. 2, 1 means here. 2, 1 means here. 1, 2. 1 is 2 is here. Okay. So you have to draw. This is your region. Suppose this is O, this is A, and this is B. Okay, so this is O, this is B, 2, 1. 2, 1 is your A, and this is what here B. Okay. Now the R is bounded by. Now see here, integrand is integrable with respect to here substitution is given to you. Problem is incomplete. So what I said, by using the transformation, x is equal to twice u plus v, y is equal to u plus twice v. The transformations are provided you. So if the transformation not provided you, so easily you can integrate in the Cartesian form. No need to use the substitution. But here the substitution is provided to you. So you have to use the substitution method. You have to solve this problem by the substitution method only. So this problem is solvable for this also. Okay, in the region R also, no need to transform this. But here what the transformation is given to you, you need to solve this by transformation method. Okay, so R is bounded by. Okay, so what is this? This line R is bounded by. Okay, so first we will find equation of OB, then we will find equation of OA and equation of AB. You have to find. Okay, so O means what? 0, 0, and B means what? B is what here? 1, 2. B is 1, 2. You have to find the equation of line passing through origin. You know that the equation of line passing through origin is of the form y is equal to mx. So now this point, this line passing through point 1, 2, that means it satisfies the equation. This is what m into 1, right? So that means what? Bounded by. So y is equal to mx. So your value is m. So y is equal to twice x now. Y is equal to twice x. Now see, if x is 1, so which one? So 1, 2, right? If x is 1 now, if you put x is 1, then see y is equal to 2. So that means y is equal to twice x. R is bounded by y is equal to x. We are doing this in rough work. Okay. So here what we are doing with the R is bounded by y is equal to twice x. Okay. So for this line we get. For OA again, for OA, this is what? 0, 0, and your is what? 2, 1 then. Okay. So now line passing through origin, since it is of the form y is equal to mx. So now also this point passing through the 2, 1, it satisfies the equation of the line then. So your y is 1, your this is m and 2. So this is what? M is equal to 1 half. So that means what here? Y is equal to 1 half x. That means x is equal to twice y. X is equal to y. Now AB, for your A is what? 2, 1, and your B is what? 1, 2. Okay, A is 1. Then apply this formula, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. Okay, so your x minus x1, this is what? X1 y1, this will call x2 y2. Your x minus x1 is 2, then your x2 is 1 minus 2. So then your y minus 1, this minus 1 as it is, just you have to replace 2 here. Okay, so this is what? X minus 2 upon minus 1, y minus 1 upon 1, just will take cross multiply, x minus 2 minus 1 minus y plus 1. So this is what? X plus y is equal to 3 now. X plus y is equal to 3. So that means what here? X plus y is equal to 3. Okay. Okay, so we don't need this actually. So we all, this is what you should do in the rough work actually. This is not a part of the solution also. But here what? To find this equation you need this calculation. Without this calculation you cannot write this. We want only this. right? Where R is the region by y is equal to twice x, y is equal to so x is equal to twice y. This does it. You may write this is what x is equal to twice y. Okay, no problem. So here what that is we will write this one x is equal to twice y. Okay, so that means what here that is R is bounded by y is equal to twice x, y is equal to twice x is equal to twice y, x plus y is equal to 3. Simply you can write this. Okay. Now we have given the substitution x is equal to function of v, and so first we will find the Jacobian. Jacobian is what? Dou xy, dou uv. So first we will write a formula: dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. Okay, so we write this. Now dou x by dou u, dou x by dou u is 2, dou x by dou v is 1, dou y by dou u is 1, dou y by dou v is 2. So this is 4 minus 1 is 3. Right? Your Jacobian is 3. No problem. Now these are the see your I is what now? I is what? Double integral over R x minus 3y dA is equal to double integral over S. Double integral over S. So your x is what? Your x is what? Twice u plus v minus 3y minus 3u minus 6v minus 6v. Your Jacobian is what? Mod of 3 du dv. This you have to integrate this. So S is bounded by So that you have to find S is bounded by. Okay. So now what? Your R is bounded by x is equal to y is equal to twice x. Okay. So y is equal to twice x. Imply that. We'll put the value of y now. Use what? U plus twice v is equal to twice x. So this is what? 4u plus this is 4u plus twice v. What does this imply? So we'll shift to 2v get cancelled. So u is equal to 3u. So that means u is equal to 0. Right? 3u is equal to 0 means u is equal to 0. So now then this is what? X is equal to twice y. This implies that. What is your x? Twice u plus v. Twice u plus v is equal to twice y. Multiply by this. This is what? Twice u plus v. What here? Again 2 get cancelled. So v is equal to 4v. So v, if you shift 4v there, 3v is equal to 0 means v is equal to 0. V is equal to 0. Okay, now next is what? X plus y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 3. Imply that. What is your x? Twice u plus v plus y. Y is what? U plus twice u. U is equal to twice v. This is twice v. Is equal to 3. This implies that. So this is what? Twice u plus u is 3u. 3v is equal to 1. Means what? U plus v is equal to 1. Okay. So that means your region of the integration, that is what? S. So S is bounded by what? What do we get here? U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. V is equal to 0. U plus V is equal to 1. Okay. So we draw this region. So because you want to find the limit of U and V, right? So we draw this region. So this is your capital U. This is your capital V. This is 0. So U is equal to 0 means this U is equal to 0. So U plus V is equal to this. Right? This is what? U plus V is equal to 1. This point is what? 1, 0. This point is 0, 1. Okay. Now this is the region of the integration. Your S now. Okay. This is your S. Now see. This is integrable with respect to u because this is linear function of u and v. It is integrable with respect to u. It is also integrable with respect to v. So you can draw strip parallel to u axis. So generally we will draw this now. We will draw strip parallel to v axis. Okay. So therefore R is equal to integration. We will write the limit of v now. Limit of v is what? Limit of u. This is what? 0 to 1. Limit of v. So v from the lower, so this then v from this what? U minus 1. U minus 1. Just simplify this. This is what, how many u's are there? Minus u are there. Okay. So what is this? So how many u are there? So minus u, minus u, minus 5v, minus 5v. I can take 3 here now. Okay. So then these are the limits of v. So I have to integrate because what? Our strip is parallel to the axis. So this is dv. Then this is d. Okay. So I have to solve this integral only. All other part is useless now. So I will erase that. Okay. So now this is 3, 0 to 1. Integrate this. We are integrating with respect to v now. This is what? Minus uv minus 5v square by 2, 0 to u minus 1 d. Okay. So if you put v is equal to 0, then everything is 0. Only I have to put the upper limit. So this is 0 to 1 minus u, u minus 1 minus 5 u minus 1 square upon 2 du. Okay. So only we will multiply this here, so that we can integrate easily. Minus u square plus u minus, I will keep this is pi by 2 u minus 1 as it is. Okay, du, because this is integrable. Okay, now integrate this. This is what? 3. Integrate this. This is what? Minus u cube upon 3 minus plus u square upon 2. You have to take the care of the minus. Okay. Okay, no problem. So minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2. This is what? U minus 1 cube upon cube. So 0 to 1. Okay. Now we put 1 now. We put 1. So if you put 1, so this is what? Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 half. Minus 3. You have to put now u is equal to 0. If you put u is equal to 0, then this is 0 now. So now this is what? 0. So minus 1 cube. So again the minus will become plus now. This is what? 5 by 6 is here. And minus, this is minus here. This is 1 minus 1 cube is minus 1. So minus will become plus now this. Right? This minus is minus now. No problem for this one. Okay. So now this is what? So if you cross multiply this, this is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 1 by 6. 1 by 6. This is what? 3 into 1 by 6. Minus 3, this is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So this is what? 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So minus 4 by 2. So this is what? Minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. Oh, this is wrong actually. U minus 1 is not there. This is what? 1 minus u. Okay. So this is 1 minus u. This is 1 minus u. You have to take care. This is what? 1 minus u I can write. This is u minus 1 square. No problem for this one. This become plus. This become minus. You may write here u minus 1 square. No problem. So this is all correct. This is plus. This is minus. This is plus. This is minus. So then this is what? This is minus then. Okay, so this is minus. Okay, so minus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 6. So this is minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So this is minus 6 by 2. So this is minus 3 there. This is minus 6. Okay, so here what? We have made mistake here. This is what? U minus 1. This is u, 1 minus u. Okay, so this is 1 minus u. 1 minus u. We have take the care of this one. So u plus v is equal to 1. Okay, so that means v is equal to 1 minus u. Okay, so correct all those things. Okay, so I have corrected all those things. Now the problem is clear. This is what? This is 1 minus u square, but 1 minus u square you can write u minus 1 square. Because what? If you write here 1 minus u square, then minus 1 become this is what? upon minus 1, then this become plus, and again this is minus 1 cube, so it will be manageable, no problem for this. Okay, so I hope that you understand this one. Now we will stop here. Okay, okay, thank you.